Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Liberty Works Dart Challenger SRT Hellcat, and this is a special edition. And so actually, this is a gift from my wife. She gifted me this thing more than 3 months back. I guess I just kept it in the box and I forgot about it totally. So finally, I was thinking about unboxing something this week, something closer to the premium range. So I took this one out. And okay, so let's talk about the box here because the tarmac ones which I have, it actually comes in acrylic cases. Being a special edition, this is not inside an acrylic case. This is, I mean, inside a cardboard box, which is a bit disappointing for me because I wish it had an acrylic case and then you can just display it without removing it outside of the box. Okay, so you can see here it has the license and everything. Okay, okay, let's open and see how this one looks. I don't want to waste any much more of my time looking at the box. Neither you guys. Okay, finally it's free. Let me just throw this out. Okay, let's just open it. I really don't want to wait anymore, man. I just need to open and see how this one looks. Okay, there is nothing inside because I there are the recent tarmac ones has some kind of card inside, collector's card inside, because this is a bit older one, so it doesn't have anything. Okay, let me put everything aside. So there is nothing else here. It's just, at least they thought about giving a box like this so that it won't move inside and get damaged. Okay, so here is the casting itself. Okay, let's talk about the casting. I mean, the first impressions, this looks absolutely beautiful, and does some kind of dust to it, but it is actually pretty heavy. And okay, the rear view mirrors are actually made of silicon kind of material like you see in Mini GT, and the rims looks really nice. So this is a full metal car, and so the headlights are painted. That is a bit disappointing, to be very honest. I was expecting a acrylic headlights, but it is not. Even in the right side you can see there is a small paint. you know I don't know, they didn't paint it really well here. Okay, so you can see the chassis has some level of detailing to it. Okay, this is the right way. So it does, you can actually screw this one to any acrylic case you are having, in case if you have anything. So, and this one is removable. The chassis you can remove easily with a Phillips screwdriver, I guess. So it has exhaust detailing here, and okay, so you can see there is, I don't know, this is how it came out of the box. Some lines on the back side of this paint job here. So one thing I really don't like about this Moon Eyes versions of any of the casting, you can literally see the eyes just that's it. They could have just did something really creative with this, with the livery part, right? Instead of just mentioning Moon Eye Cubed and put that, big googly eyes. I mean, honestly, it is not even that much appealing. So as far the car goes, it looks really beautiful. I really wish they had some kind of livery on this one. Even though if it's pure black and white, if they went with some kind of livery, that would have been really great. Okay, so the tail lights are actually acrylic. That is really nice. Let me just, that looks really nice. And the rims are really nice. It looks really good. But the tire doesn't have any threading. Okay, the tires are rubber, if you guys are wondering. It doesn't have any threading to it. You can see the interior here, I guess. It does have some interior, but again, it is slightly tinted. The windows and the windshields are slightly tinted, so I mean it's a bit hard to see inside, but it does have some interior to it. So you can see the wiper here, and so this piece in the hood, these are plastic, interior is plastic. So rest everything is metal, and this part, the rear view mirrors here, these are actually silicone kind of material. And okay, so let's weigh this casting now and see how much this actually weighs. 60 grams, not bad. So one more thing is, you can see this rivet kind of thing, on the body kit here. So that is a nice detailing. I mean, even Hot Wheels are doing this detailing nowadays, but again, this looks really cool. As a whole casting, this looks really beautiful. Now, personally for me, I love having a lot of colors. So if it had either a lot more colors or at least a different livery, like even a tribal livery or kind of even a pinstripe kind of thing, that would have been really cool for this particular casting because it's a muscle car. Okay, let's do a roll test real quick. Okay, it does roll good. Okay, something here is, I don't know what it is, but maybe because of the track, I guess. Yeah, something here is hitting, I don't know what it is. That's the reason it is stopping, but it does roll good. So if you are a collector who collects specifically either Dodge or Moon Eyes version, this would be a good addition to your collection. So personally for me, I love muscle cars, but I personally don't like this livery because it's very simple. It's just the same thing they're repeating for every casting. So that's the one thing I really don't like about it. But apart from that, I do like everything else. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.